What's up, guys? Boy Q at Next Level Junk Removal. Well, this morning I was going to pick up some dumpsters. Sorry about my shop. I know it's a little messy. And I looked down at the tire. Yeah, you can't see it too much. And I saw that we got a problem there, as you can see. So I guess it's time to replace all the tires. It is unfortunate because these tires are not worn bad. They're getting there. The back tires that skid, those are about done. So it's time to replace anyways. Just wasn't expecting to kind of put a dampener in my day. So I'm gonna set you guys up. We're gonna jack this trailer up, pull off these tires, and I guess push to pick up these dumpsters tomorrow. So you can run the hydraulic systems, lift it up, all that fun stuff. I'm just gonna do the old classic jack way. Obviously, I'm still in the process of moving everything over here. So I don't have my jack stand, which I'd highly recommend, and not these 3 blocks that can shoot out and mess up everybody's day. But should be all right. Should be all right for right now. 3/4. Had to get in a hurry, but hopefully I can break these loose with them off the ground. Now, you just have to, the tires pulling off, take them to here. I am going to try to find something to lock this up. These tires are pretty notorious for, I guess, having some inside sidewall problems. So, you know, it hasn't ripped through. It's just the inner layer. There's no threads or anything showing, but that is a weak point for the tire. So I do recommend changing it. And I guess I just realized that now. Looks like it's been like that for a while, but we'll go ahead and get our change. We will keep this tire just have spares, because this is a never-ending battle in the junk removal profession and the roll-off dumpsters. The dump, you can expect it. So, yeah. I called and made sure that our local tire dealer had the tires we need in stock, and they do. So we're just gonna make sure we get on them. tires. Yeah. No, I've never saw this one. I don't know if you can see here, but you can see there's a small dimple happening here. These are the tires that came on this Maxx-D trailer. So we've gotten about 2 years out of them. Can't complain too much. They've held up pretty well. But we're going to Carlisle's. I know folks have their own opinions on Carlisle's, but that's what's in stock and that's what's going to keep us moving. So that's what we got to do. But yeah, I would have never noticed that. And I guaranteed as soon as the weather started to warm, it would have been a problem. So put it over here, nice and easy. I really don't want this tire to blow up in my face. But as you can see, that's a big problem. That's actually very scary. It's not ideal, but what I'll do is I'll come down nice and slow. Stop her right there. That way we're safe, even if it comes down, that hydraulic jack starts to leak down a little bit. So yeah, we got tires pulled off. We're gonna go get those swapped out. We're gonna throw them in the back of the truck, and it's about a 30-minute drive to where we need to go. So we'll check back in once we get new tires on. Throw them on real quick. We're also gonna go through a complete grease of this trailer. I see that this rope, it's about time for it to be replaced. Oh yeah, it's due. Not about, it's due. The only other problem I have with this system here is I'll get back with you guys as soon as we have everything put back together. So yeah, stay tuned.